going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This right here is a 2023 Ford Major. 2023 Ford Major. I'm going to show you guys how to take off the tailgate. It's pretty simple. But watch the instruction, you'll be alright. It is pretty simple. Let's get to it. First thing first. Actually, guys, the first thing that I want you guys to do is come down here. Yeah. We're gonna take loose the plug. You see it right here. Let me show you guys. This wire right here. You gotta get that loose, okay? So we're gonna come up underneath here. Guys, by the way, in order to take loose this wire, they want you to put down the spare tire. They want you to put down the spare tire. But we ain't doing that. I'm gonna show you guys how to work your way around that, alright? Let's get it. I'm gonna come up here, guys, and get this light. What's the best way? Hold on, let me find this thing. Alright, guys, go ahead and get yourself a clip tool, a long one, okay? You're gonna need a long one, alright? It's clip rib over tool, okay? The long one. Now, I don't shove my light up underneath here so you guys can see. See right there, guys? That is the harness right there. That right there is the harness, okay? You can see it, you can't miss it, it's right there. Now, I put my tool right through this part right here. I'm going to go, see my tool right here? I go up underneath the clip itself, just like this. You're gonna pry this clip off, okay? Put the tool right up underneath the clip, just like that, okay? And pry it off. Show you. Just like that. Take that loose, okay? Take that clip loose. Now you're gonna put your hands. Go in. Let me take on the light my way. Put your hands up underneath there and take down the wire. See? Right here. See the wire right here? It's loose. Basically what I did, I lose this piece right here to take it out. Now this is the wire. See right here? You're gonna hold this clip down, okay? This clip right here, hold it in and hold it down, and you're gonna pull it apart. Remember, you're gonna use both hands. I had this camera on my hand, so therefore I need to put down this camera. As you guys could see, they had this thing wrapped up. They have a tape around it. Hold on, get my light. Hold on. Oh, that's better. Okay. See right here, this clip. You're gonna push this in, and you're gonna pull this piece away from this piece. As you guys can see, it's all wrapped around with tape. So therefore, let me put on this camera. I'm gonna loose this tape right here. See tape? This is where it stops right here. I gotta use it in my one hand. That's crazy. All right, I got it. One hand bandit. Get that loose. Now that I got the tape loose, sometimes I do this thing. My one hand is amazing, guys. That's years of experience, okay? And then do overnight. Now you're gonna push this in, hold it, and you're gonna pull this away from this one. Let me see if I can do it with my one hand. Okay, now I gotta put on this camera, guys. Cause sometimes the dirt get. All right, I'm gonna put on this camera, but anyways, on your end, push this in, hold it down. You're gonna do not pull this thing by the wire, okay? You're gonna hold it right here. And you're gonna pull these two away from each other. All right. Okay, guys, I got it loose. As you guys see, this piece was inside this one. So basically, all I did was squeeze this down. Now, got this loose. As you guys can see, the wire, it goes right there up in the tailgate. Now, I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna come up here, okay? I'm gonna come up here, open this gate up. See this, guys? This is a star tip. It's a 6-point. It's a T30, guys. T30 6-point. They also come like this, okay? They also come in this as well. T30. They come like this as well in T30. They could come in the same thing. T30. Star tip 6-point, okay? Gonna come around here. Take that screw loose, okay? Turn to the left. Turn to the left. Take that loose. Okay, so this bracket goes down here. You see the parts will be today, right? Now, now that we got this bracket loosened out of the way, I want you guys to come over here on this side. See this arm right here? I want you to gently lift the gate up. Just like that, okay? And put your foot right here to hold it. So what we're doing, we're going to take the pressure from off this arm right here. Then get your flathead screwdriver. See that pin right there? We're going to slightly loose that pin. Try not to get this pin to pop out on you, because sometimes it flies away. But even if it pops out on you, you can put it back. All you gotta do, I have a extra pin here. All you gotta do, if the pin pops out on you, just slide it back in the groove. Okay, you're gonna open it up some and slide it in the groove. Anyway, you're gonna slightly put your flathead, put it right in here, just like this. See that? You're gonna leave it there, just like that. Don't do no more than that. Okay? You're gonna use something and put it back there and pry it out. Okay, I'm gonna use my tip tool. Remember now, see that? I slightly put the flathead between it, the tool back here. I'm gonna pry it, guys. We're gonna do it real quick. Okay? Do it real quick. Shit, I dropped my stuff. Hold on, I'm gonna go get it. Okay, got it. Put it back in there. Put it in there. Snap it off. It comes off. Okay. Bust at that. Boom. See? We do it quick because this thing snaps back in place. Now, when you guys gonna put this thing back under the ball joint, all you gotta do is just line it up, snap it in. All right, now got that out the way. Okay. Next thing, so this piece right here, the same thing. Hold it up, touch it with your legs, just like that. You're gonna see this, push it up some, the flat head, open it up, and just put it between the grooves. Comes off. Basically, all you did is open this up. And you're gonna come over here, same thing. Put it up, open it up, comes out. All right, now you guys see this split right here, right? See this split? Gonna put it all the way up, just like that. Make sure this piece right here is open. If you have it tilt like this thing will not come loose, because this piece will hit this bracket right here. Make sure it's all the way open. See the gap? That means you guys are good. You're gonna grab it, pull this bad boy out. On this side, you don't have no gap. This one is just one big circle. So therefore, when you pull this one up the gap, you're gonna hold it and then you're gonna pull it forward. Okay, you're gonna put it up first and then put it forward. When you guys go to put this gate back, it's the same thing. You're gonna put this piece in first, this end. You're gonna put this end in first. You're gonna start it in, and then this piece, this end, you're gonna drop it down inside there. Okay, that's how you take off this gate. Now I gotta put down this camera. Now I advise you to get help, to get somebody to help you with it. Normally I don't have much help around here, so I do it myself. I've been doing this shit for years myself. Okay, so pay attention, baby. This is the wire right here. Go ahead and fish out the wire before you take off the gate. Okay, fish the wire out before you take off the gate, because you don't want to go take off the gate and then you gotta slightly put the gate down to fish this out. Fish this out first. Okay, fish this out first and then take off the gate. Can you go and put down this camera and take the sucker. Right, there we go. Now we out and put the gate down. All right. Hold it like this. Hold your body. Pull up. Hold it. Pull up that way. That baby, just like that. All right, that's how you do that. really simple, baby. Remember, when you're going to put by the gate, you're going to put by that end first. You're going to slide in that end, then you're going to drop that end in, good to go. That's it, guys. Hit that like, and subscribe, baby. I will see you in the next video. We're checking out. Bam!